Looks like a Dorito. Tastes like a Dorito.
I thought he would say that. Hey y'all, so I'm so excited. Remember the other day when I told you what grocery service I had been using and we were talking about that store I went to, and I told you that there was something new that I was about to try and I would tell you all about it when my package came in? Well, it's here and I'm about to show it to you. We're gonna open it together and try some things. But first I wanted to tell you about it. So it's called Thrive Market. I had been seeing it online and hearing about like how it's got healthier options and better ingredient type foods. You don't know me, I'm like all the time cooking some gravy and cornbread and southern foods. I'm not gonna give those things up, but I do try to also incorporate some better choices too. So I found out the way it works is that you become a member, and to be a member it's only like $5 a month. And when I tell you I like the options you have on their app or their website, you can, like if you're gluten-free for example, you can put that in there and it shows you tons of gluten-free items that you can buy. Got so many options just like that example on there, so that's one of the things I like about them. And you can get meat on there, you can get snacks, basically most anything you can get from a grocery store delivered right to your door. And y'all know that's the second thing I love about them. I do not like to go to a grocery store, not ever if I can help it. But the prices seem so much better. I mean, sometimes you can get up to 30% off a lot of things and free gifts and that kind of stuff. I ordered a lot on my first package. A new one. That's what the box looks like. I'm telling you, straight to my door. Didn't have to go nowhere. I was excited about these. I'm going to call Caden in here. He's going to have to taste it. I'm not going to show him the bag. I'm going to just let him taste it and see what kind of chips he thinks those are, if you know what I mean. And that child loves him some ramen. He calls them ramen. Pineapple sauce. I love applesauce, but I have never even heard of pineapple sauce. Gluten-free oatmeal chocolate chip snacks. I'm gonna try these right now. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Oh, that tastes like in between like one of those chewy granola bars you can buy and a piece of fudge. Yes. Kane's gonna be mad I started without him. Thrive Market applesauce. Told you I like applesauce. Oh, I was so excited about these too. Raspberry lemonade probiotic. 0 sugar. Got some of the Thrive Market spaghetti sauce too. This video's gonna be so long. Skinny dipped dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Y'all know what those are supposed to be like. Edamame. This is the Himalayan pink salt ones. I'm curious about this too. Okay, better hurry up and get in here. Oh, I love that crunch. And it tastes so good. Yes. A little pack like you can put in your lunchbox or take to work with you of the little petite dill pickles. Some boxed macaroni, but this is Annie's real aged cheddar boxed macaroni. And it's made with organic pasta. So see what I mean? It's like the same stuff we can get, but it's just a little bit better ingredients. For the dark chocolate peanut butter cups and more. Chocolate covered pretzels. 41% less sugar than the leading brand. And I got the white cheddar boxed macaroni too. More of those. I almost had a sweet tooth that day. Fruit snacks, even though we have braces, like we love us some gummies. Some like little fruit snacks. Organic egg noodles. Thrive Market's honey. I keep this on hand because when Haley and Tristan come, he loves to put some honey in his coffee. I'm excited about those too. Y'all know what those are supposed to taste like. Whole box of kettle cooked potato chips. Chicken and beef broth. This Go Macro Kids Macro Bar Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookie. And look how good that looks. Fruit Pops with electrolytes. So they're like those little popsicles you put in the freezer. You know, the long skinny ones that you just cut the top off and eat them. But they're with electrolytes, so they're healthier. Got me some of these Shirley Temple Olippops. All taste, no guilt cheese balls from the Good Crisp Company, gluten-free. Smoothie melts. I don't know if you have had those before, but I have. Not from this brand though. No sugar added, plant-based yogurt snack mixed with real berries. That's what it is. It's just like a little snack. I love it. A couple cans of tuna so I can make some tuna salad. And then I got actual granola bars. Got some regular granola, like to put in our Greek yogurt with our fruit and stuff, because the last one we tried was not good. So I just know this is gonna be better. Wild berry. I don't know how to say that word, y'all. Acai. Do not laugh at me. Made with real fruit, no artificial flavors or synthetic colors. They're toaster pastries. Y'all know what those are supposed to be. We're probably not even gonna cook supper because after we try all this stuff, we're gonna be full. But it's by the Good Crisp Company, gluten-free. But if you're interested, I'm gonna put a link on my website. So you can get $20 off your first 3 orders and a free gift. I didn't even tell you this.
Ramen. Don't you dare say ramen.
Ramen.
Ramen!
Sorry, I got distracted. But y'all try it if you want to. I'm very pleased so far. I love you. Stay classy.